Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Mahmud Hassan. Welcome to my another new video once again. In this video, I love to share the most important advanced vocabulary that is a big sis. A big sis, it means an important person, right? For example, Dr. Eunice is a big sis. He is a Nobel laureate, and in the present, he is a chief advisor in the interim government. He is a chief advisor in the interim government. Another example, father is always a big sis to their children. Another example, teacher is big sis, so we should respect to the teachers, to our teacher. So um, a big sis, it means an important person. আমরা এই ভোকাবুলারিটি ব্যবহার করে আরো সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করতে পারি এবং আমাদের দৈনন্দিন কথাবার্তা ব্যবহার করতে পারি। That's all about it. Thank you so much.